We look at the function of equals sin of 2 to the power of. We do this to see our starting math problem. This is our original equation. We find that this is composite function where of equals sin of and equals 2 to the power of. We do this to see how one part fits inside another part. Composite function has an inner part and an outer part. We apply the chain rule to prime of. We do this to find the derivative of function that has another function inside it. The chain rule says we must multiply the derivative of the outside by the derivative of the inside. We take the derivative of the outside part, which is sin of 2 to the power of. We do this to start finding the rate of change for the whole thing. The derivative of sin of is cos of. We look at the rule for number to the power of. We do this to know how to find the derivative of the inner part. The rule says the derivative of to the power of is to the power of times the natural log of. We take the derivative of the inside part, which is 2 to the power of. We do this to finish the chain rule step. We use the rule to get 2 to the power of times the natural log of 2. We multiply cos of 2 to the power of by 2 to the power of times the natural log of 2. We do this to combine all our parts into one line. We can change the order of multiplication to make it easier to read. We write the final answer as prime of equals 2 to the power of times the natural log of 2 times cos of 2 to the power of. We do this to show the completed math work. This is the final derivative.